Okay guys, welcome to another Sunday dinner menu. I have some chicken leg quarters, and I'm going to do some barbecue jerk chicken leg quarters in the oven, and this is going with some pumpkin rice, guys. So keep watching, like the video, guys. This is gonna be a great menu idea for Sunday dinner. I wash them, clean them up, cut them up, so it's ready. I just add on some fish and meat sauce, a little, because it's finishing, and I'm gonna add in some powdered seasoning. I'm gonna mix that up. Next I'm gonna add on some jerk seasoning, guys. Then I'm gonna rub on the seasoning and let it marinate. I added on the powdered seasoning as well as the jerk seasoning. Alright, there you go, guys. All the seasoning is added on. All the seasoning on it. So I'm gonna cover this up and let it marinate for a while before I pop it in the oven, guys. So keep watching. Okay guys, the chicken has been marinating for a while, so I'm gonna get it in the oven. Okay guys, I'm gonna pop this in the oven now, guys. So keep watching. Hey guys, to make the sauce for the chicken, I'm gonna use some jerk seasoning. Ketchup. I'm gonna use the barbecue sauce. And I'm using some of the juice, some of the chicken to add in there. As well. Now I'm gonna brush this onto the chicken. Okay guys, so to go with the baked chicken, I'm going to do some pumpkin rice. So my pumpkins are all diced, cut up, washed and ready. I'm gonna add some scallion, thyme, pepper, garlic, and I'm using coconut milk as well as some cream coconut. So guys, keep watching. So I'm getting the pot ready. So I'm gonna turn on the stove on high. I'm just adding a little salt. So I'm cooking a big pot. I always cook a big pot of rice because it lasts me throughout the week. And I just freeze any extra so I don't have to cook every Sunday. Now guys, I'm gonna add in some kosher salt. And this is salt to taste. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add in the pumpkin. So the water is ready. I'm gonna let it cook for a while and then I put in the seasoning. Add in the garlic. Once it starts boiling, I'm gonna add in the other seasoning because the pumpkin doesn't take long to cook. Okay guys, the pumpkin is cooking down nicely. I'm gonna add in the seasoning. Scallion and thyme. Hot pepper. Okay guys, I'm gonna add in coconut milk. I'm also adding the coconut cream. So I just use 1 cup coconut milk and 1 cup coconut cream. Guys, I'm gonna get some basmati rice washed to put in the pot with the pumpkin. Okay guys, I'm gonna add in the rice. It's cooking down nicely, so now it's ready to steam. So I'm gonna put some foil on the top just to cover it up. I'm also gonna add in some butter because I forgot to put the butter in earlier. I'm gonna add in some butter on the top, guys. So you can definitely put in the butter earlier. Alright guys, let's check on the rice. Look at that golden goodness, guys. Look on that golden goodness, guys. Nice, yummy pumpkin rice. Okay guys, I'm having my baked chicken, barbecue jerk baked chicken, pumpkin rice, and some coleslaw on the side with some refreshing lemonade, lemon and syrup. Guys, this is so good. So let's check it out. Sunday dinner. Well, this can be any dinner. But this is what I'm having for Sunday dinner, guys. And guys, let's try this barbecue jerk chicken first. You know the jerk sauce is really good. That jerk. Nice. This is so good. Let's have it with some coleslaw. The blend of flavors with the pumpkin rice, the barbecue jerk, and the coleslaw is so good, guys. Lovely blend of flavors. Guys, while I'm enjoying this, guys, please check out some of my other videos on my channel. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.
Afrobeat, the beats. Afrobeat, the beats.